Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're looking at a Glock 34, of course chambered in 9mm. When it comes to this pistol, basically just did a lot of work on the top end. The slide is done in satin aluminum Cerakote, polished up the barrel, and all the controls and pins are polished. It's kind of like a pimp slayer or something like that. I don't know, that's what it looks like to me. So anyways, as you can see, super clean Cerakote, satin aluminum. The barrel polished completely, of course. That's what he wanted. It's a Gen 4. Looking nice with that rough texture. You can see the slide release, the takedown, and of course the pins are fully polished as well. This kind of ties in the barrel to the rest of the theme of the gun. All the metal parts are polished. Anyways, won't make this too long. Nice Gen 4 Glock 34. Fully polished barrel, looking pretty sweet. And it's a contrast. You got the satin aluminum, which is a a metal color, if you want to call it that. Not really matte or satin. Then you got a high gloss finish against that. It's kind of cool. Looks something that like a I don't know. It's a little flashy, but it's cool. We'll call it the Pimp Slayer. As always, questions, comments, concerns, leave them, and I will answer accordingly. Until next time.